Hi, this is Preeti, your life coach and law of attraction guide. And today I am back with another success story. I'm so excited when I share these. How many of you enjoy listening to these success stories? Type me in the comments so that I know that these success stories really inspire and motivate you to work on your manifestation. This is a job manifestation success story from one of my clients, and let's listen to what she achieved and what were the things that she practiced in order to manifest her dream job.
Hi friends, first I would like to express my gratitude to Universe, Preeti sis, and my friend Ramya who recommended me for this great opportunity. And I have been writing gratitude since August mid 2020 and the changes started happening in my way. My friend voluntarily recommended me to this opportunity to teach international students as an online tutor. And the process had gone well for almost 2 weeks, and the instruments, gadgets that I need were also came to me without any obstacles. And today I have received my offer from my organization. The organization members were also very friendly with me and they guide me throughout the process. I have also used 55 into 5 method and I have here new job affirmations and everything makes sense today. I have also attended the full moon and new moon healing sessions which has changed all my negative energies and my view over the things has also changed. I wish everyone to be grateful for the things that they are having in their life. Soon they will see the miracles will start happening once they became grateful. Once again, I want to thank Preeti sister for making wonderful transformation in everyone's life. Thank you sis and thank you universe.
Wonderful, isn't it? This is really exciting. I'm so happy for her that she was able to get the job of her dreams and using the methods that she mentioned, writing gratitude, listening to the job affirmations, attending the new moon and full moon healing, all of that helped her get into that right mindset of manifesting her job and attracting the right people who helped her, attracting the right job, and also attracting the right equipments that she needed for the job. All of these things are important for her to be able to enjoy that job, and that's exactly what happened. So this is amazing, and I hope all those who are trying to manifest a job are going to commit to listening to the new job affirmations that I'm going to be linking right here. Go watch this video, and you can also watch this playlist where I've outlined all the steps that I personally used in the past to manifest amazing jobs. So I hope you have a very successful manifestation very soon. And if you do, make sure you share your success story. So type in the comments below, what is it that you are currently manifesting? I will see you in another video soon. Bye.